Good morning. It's Stephen Williams, founder and president of the creditrepairshop.com. I just got an alert right hot off the presses. Wells Fargo, Wachovia, and some other banks have just released $1.399 million in bad checks, overdraft, bad check accounts. Charge off date 2009, 2010, obviously passed the statute of limitations for every state. So if you get any type of letter from a debt collector about owing these overdrafts, you should immediately challenge the statute of limitations on these accounts. Again, it was from Wells Fargo, Wachovia, and some other banks. $1.399 million in insufficient fund checks, bank overdraft checks. And also, if you've been placed on the check systems, there's also a statute of limitations on the check system. Each bank can sometimes try to hold it to where you can't open an account specifically with them, but it doesn't carry over to the other banks. But you should file the appropriate paperwork to also get it taken off of check systems, because there is a statute of limitations on how long they can keep your information on there. And there's paperwork that you have to fill out and you have to submit to them to have your name taken off that check system. So again, I know this is a short video because this is an easy one. If you find that you have uh, uh, overdrafts from a bank account that you just disregarded, maybe you just didn't have the money at the time to pay for it, you let the account just be closed and you had that debt, if you and you want in this batch here, or with other banks, it doesn't matter which one you're with, you just have the rights. What you have to do is you have to first look at the origination of that account. And if it's with check systems, if it wasn't reported on your credit reports, if it's with check systems, you would have to file to get that information from check systems. And then you could look at the origination date on that account if you don't remember it. But even if you remember it, it's best to get that information from a reliable source so you can see how you're going to be able to attack it. Once you get it, then you would say that it's past statute of limitations, and you, number one, they can't come after you for this debt, the debt collector that buys it. And then number two, they need to take it off of check systems because it's past the statute of limitations for having that information about that account. So if you need help or you have questions, put them in the comments below. I'll get you the information so you can take care of any type of bank accounts that you might have that were closed due to overdraft. This is Stephen Williams, founder and president of the creditrepairshop.com. Thank you.